Welcome everybody back to the show. How's it going? Good to see everybody back. What's up? What's up? Good morning. 44th X Punisher. Good morning. Almost 10k subs. Yeah, we're closing on that 10k sub really fast, and we might gonna have some party soon. Loving Nature Guy. Good morning, Shenanigan. Welcome back. Polar Monkey entering the building next to Chizard. Hello. What's up, everybody? Good to see everybody back. How's it going? How was the Asia session? Tell me all about it. How's everyone on this beautiful, fine London session, right? Let me just get into the chart here. What is going on? What is going on? Let's see. All right, not much. Not much, not much. Seems like a bit of a range here, by the way, but we'll see what happens. Albert, hello there. What's up? Hey, thank you. Well, we still have to go a little bit there, getting slowly there, but I mean, quite a bit of a, you know, speed there to get to. Curry Fishbowl, hello. Cypher, good morning. Send it to 20k. Yeah. Smash the likes. It's all because you guys are pushing the likes, smashing the likes. That's helping us a lot. Really, really a lot. Thank you so much for doing that. Good morning, good morning. Make the market dump. Well, it could be dumping. Well, we are still in this range a little bit there. Thank you so much. 44th X Punisher, thank you. How many more people to hit the 10k? Well, we need 95 more subs. I think we should be getting it next week, worst case scenario, I think. Good morning, CSH, the Content Hunter, hello. Need to lock yourself out. Well, sometimes it's necessary. Sometimes it is necessary. It's just part of business, locking ourselves out sometimes. Good morning, good morning. 50k plus Alexa. Negative 3,700 yesterday, 3k today. You know, getting back 3k is really good. I think you did a good job by recovering. You know, why not just, you know, call it a day, at least on that particular account, you know, and that would be okay. But yeah. Good morning, Fisher Trader. Hello there. So how was, I feel like there was a bit of a range here as far as I can see it in the Asia session. And of course, don't forget today is NFP day. So NFP day could be a little bit like upsy daisy, up and down. So you got to be careful with that. But, you know, it's manageable. Still manageable. Hold on, hold on. Let me just see the chart. Okay, all is good. Oh, sorry. I thought negative 3,700. Sorry, Jonathan. You definitely need to. Sorry, 6,700. You need to stop. 6,700. Oh my God, 6,700. That's amazing. Dave Mac, hello there. Good morning. Good morning. You need to stop at 6,700, dude. That is way awesome. Yeah, so bit of an interesting market here. I wonder if we're gonna see anything before the London Open. Any kind of movement. We'll be ready, right? We'll be ready for any kind of movement. It is a little bit weak here. It could fall as well, or it could just sweep some levels up there. It's like really in the middle. Don't be a puss, keep going. I don't know where to go from this level here on NQ. But yeah, there's no demand zone really. I mean, there is one down there. That's true. We have a new day opening gap down there. I don't know if we're gonna get it. And that would be a 5-minute demand zone. So we do have that at the opening gap. But I might take it back because there's no structure shift, so I take it back. Sorry, there's no structure shift here, so I take that back. That's just a gap. Hard to say. It's a tough call here. What is that midnight thing you mark? Oh, yeah. So that is New York midnight, I think. Yeah, that's New York midnight. It might not be exactly correct. The opening of the first candle is 09.25. 09.25. So that's New York midnight. Midnight level. That's why it says Eastern Standard Time. Midnight level. So yeah, but on the 5-minute, there's nothing special going on. It kind of looks a little bit ugly, to be honest. It looks a little bit ugly. So I don't know. What does it mean? Well, it doesn't really mean anything significant. It kind of helps me to see how the market was going so far throughout the day. Like, are we in a premium or a discount array right now? So if we are in discount, then obviously we are below the midnight level. If we are in premium, then we are higher than the midnight level. It's not part of my strategy. Just kind of a, well, it's kind of a guideline or just an extra layer of confidence. If I'm looking for the price going into a certain direction, I do take notice. Like if I'm seeing that we're hovering around the midnight level, I'm kind of assuming that the daily candle looks like a doji or something, where we're back to where we started. So it helps to kind of anticipate what is going to be the direction. But it's not part of my strategy, but I like to have it there just to see how we are doing throughout the day. So that's why I also put the midnight, this vertical line here. Like I can see like, okay, new day started, how we are doing on the day, and kind of gives me an idea. Like what to look for. Are we bearish? Are we bullish on the day? Are we dropping? Are we looking for some further expansion higher or whatever? You know, these kind of things. But it's not part of my core strategy or anything like that. Good morning, Zoli Denver. Hello there. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So yeah, we could be selling off here, or whatever. We can just push higher. There's still no significant levels here, neither of these, you know, time frames. So nothing on the 5 or the 15 minute. So there is a level though on the oh, it has been mitigated once on the 15 minute. I don't know if we can get there or not. But yeah, it's kind of interesting. Down there. That is a demand zone, 15 minute. $15-minute demand zone. Below the 100 right now. Are we gonna drop or are we going to expand higher? That is the big question. 69 is where you think price is going. Okay. Yeah, that's a good area to drop lower. Michal, good morning. Buying low on ES. Let's go. ID, good morning, good morning. Yeah, I'm kind of curious. How far can we drop here? Both on the 5 minute here or no. Let's just see what happens. It's gonna go lower. That's fine too. There's a level here that just got swept. There was a swing low from the Asia session. Let's check for Asia lows here. I think this would be Asia low. I think we can call that level down there, Asia low. Right there. At 38. We'll see. We shall see. Right to hell, says Michael. Yeah. Can we go to 900? Well, anything is possible, but don't forget, today is NFP, so 900 is a little bit down there, but obviously not impossible. 200 points for NQ is always in the cards, but Mark, hello. Good morning, good morning. 900, yeah, why not, you know? So far, it seems weak. It seems like that the bears are definitely in control. So, wouldn't be surprised on a further drop here, way below, maybe down to that zone, or maybe even target the Asia low. I can absolutely imagine that situation. Let's see if we can drop lower down. Again, the problem is there is no zone that I can go with, right? Nothing that I can go with. None of these time frames actually giving a proper level. And it can easily be possible. That's true. That is true. Do bunkies short from 116.50. That's a good area. Good spot there to short from. Stop loss at the high. On Friday, we YOLO. Yeah, we're doing the YOLO stuff on Friday, right? Let's all smash the likes, by the way. I'm gonna check the numbers soon. Let's smash it. Let's get to that 100 likes today too. Yeah, so it's a little bit interesting. But nothing special going on so far. Kind of holding this area. And we still have 45. Do we have some news in the London session though? Let's check for some news. No news, right? Absolutely nothing. All right, just a second. I'll be right back. All right, sorry guys, I'm here. What's happening? What is going on? What is price doing right now? I don't know. Awesome 888. Hello there. Good morning, Daryl. Hello. All right. What is going on? What is going on? I don't know. I don't know what the heck is going on with this price, really. I have no idea. I really don't. Vilkos, I like the smell of whiskey and coffee in the morning. It smells like a victory. Yeah, Vilkos, I do like that. Vilkos, tell me something. Is it a thing, like, because I saw that in movies, is it a thing that people put some whiskey in their coffee? Is it a thing? I saw that in some films, movies, like they were putting in some whiskey into the coffee. Is that something that they do? Is it a real thing? Sometimes they do that. I guess they do, right? Or anything else, not just whiskey. Yes, Irish coffee. Oh yeah. That's the okay, so I wasn't sure. So that is the official Irish coffee then. All right. Espresso martini. So that is the official Irish coffee. It's very good. Okay, so why is it so good? Is it because it gives you an extra kick, or what does it do? Like, other than, I get it because it's alcohol and everything, but what's the deal with it? You know. My houseboat captain in Amsterdam loved it. Oh, really? So that's the real thing. All right. Okay, at least we know that it's the real thing. Alcohol. So that's it. The reason is it's alcohol, and that's it. Can't drink in the morning. Yeah. It's for alcoholics. Oh no. To get rid of the shakedown. What an interesting price action here. Oh my gosh. I really, wow. Very, very interesting. Coffee in booze like a Red Bull and vodka, but more classy. I gotta try it out. Guys, how about I will, you know, one of these days I will try it out. I'm gonna put some whiskey into my coffee, and I'm gonna hold my stream like that. Should I do that one day, guys? I don't know if YouTube would like me to do that. I think it's against the YouTube guidelines, you know, by promoting drinking alcohol on stream. Yeah, let's go. But I think that is something that YouTube can ban you for, or at least give you a strike. You know. Like, I think drinking or being drunk on stream, I don't know if that's a thing. For alcohol, no. In Poland, it's common thing. Okay. So, guys, if I do that, should I give you guys a signal? Should I give you guys a signal? I'm not gonna say like, hey, this is alcohol. I'm just gonna say, it's like good old homemade coffee or something like that. Okay. Oh, okay. That would be the signal. I'm gonna give you some emojis in the chat. I don't have alcohol in this one. I do have to go to the gym. I have to drive to some places today, so today is not gonna be the day. Just say cheers. I say cheers all the time. Oh. Ring the glass with a spoon. Okay, I like that. Ring the glass with a spoon. Ding, ding, ding. And you guys will know. I like that. Wink into the camera. All right. I'm gonna ring the glass with something, or maybe with the pen, like this, something like this, like, oh, you guys don't hear it, but I'm gonna like, look at this. I'm drinking some good old coffee. All right. Anyway, waiting for a price to do something. Terrible price action so far. Terrible price action. I'm taking shots of good old vodka. I'm not in a long position. I'm not. I do have an idea, by the way, for one of the streams, and I think it would be working best if we do it in a New York PM session. Now, usually I don't stream. I never stream in the New York PM session, but I was thinking, how about if we would do some strictly low time frame scalping, even going down to the 30-second, 15-second time frame, going down subatomic to the lowest time frames, and do some scalping in the PM session. No drunk stream. No. Do some scalping there. That would be really exciting. Yeah. You know, I would put out the seconds chart, not on TradingView, but I would use the NinjaTrader seconds chart and the 1 minute chart as well, and we would do some aggressive scalping. How about that? We'll see how far we can go. That would be, I mean, I'm really excited about that. I want to try it out, because usually by the PM session, the major news are off, you know. The algos are taking over most likely, and we could be doing it. This is the day the Lord made. I will rejoice in it and on my endeavors. As the same for you. Do know him. I do like that sentence there, and Brownie. Great day for trading. It is a great day for trading. And it's, you know what? It's also a great day to be here on this beautiful sunny morning. The sun is shining beautifully out here. There's a big window right to my left. Beautiful sunshine. The weather is amazing. You guys are here. I'm extremely feeling blessed that you are here. We're watching the stream, watching the price action. And, you know, trying to figure out what's going on. And having some good conversations. Wonderful idea to scalp a PM session, right? NQ is getting ready to kaboosh, but first we would need to take the 142-ish level. I am from Hungarian, Ungarische Hungarian. London opens in 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Great day not to trade, Romeo says. I think so. Yeah, I mean, looking at this, look at the 5-minute price action here. I mean, sorry, I'd love to say or you know, anticipate more about this. But by the way, I do have an idea. Let's see. Second chart. I want to show you something on the which account was that? Was it number 40? Okay. 348. Okay, so let me show you a seconds chart, right? A 15-second chart. Do you guys want me to do that? Let's do it together. All right, on an evaluation account. Let's go with Apex. Let's go with an Apex eval. Look at this. 15-second chart. Let's look for some levels here that we can go for. Scalping session, right? 101. Now there is a zone. You guys know I love the zones. It has been mitigated once, so that doesn't really count. All right, what else do we have? Hold on, let me put it like you guys see it as well. Okay. So I don't want this to take up the whole screen, but properties. Can I make it always on the top? How do I make this always on the top? I know there is a auto scale, colors, lines. Always on top. There you go. So let's do a bit of a scalping session here. Are we gonna go down to 13? Like this would be on the 1 minute, by the way. Here's the 1 minute to the right. This here is a zone, a demand zone. 1 minute demand zone down there, but it's too close. That's the problem. And it's not just close, but it did not sweep the liquidity right there. So even if I want to scalp this one, I need it to go higher than 141 and then maybe look for a possible reversal, right? That would be awesome. Ongyo, hello. I'm doing great. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, do you know who is my favorite character from the TV show Office? You know, The Office. It's not Michael Scott. I'm just saying. If you can guess who is my favorite character from the show, I'm gonna do a giveaway. You guys have 5 tries. Not Dwight, I'm sorry. Okay, 4 more try. Actually, I'm gonna give 3 more because there's not too many characters there. My favorite character from the show The Office. Not Pam. Exactly. It's Creed. It's Creed. Creed is the best character of the whole show. It's from The Office. The Office. Okay, let's do a giveaway. I promised you guys we'll do a giveaway. Creed is the best character of the whole show. We'll do a small giveaway, all right? And I'm gonna try to do another one in the New York session, all right? Right now, this is just gonna be a warm-up giveaway, all right? Just a warm-up giveaway. This is just a very, yeah, someone cooking soup. You know, I think that character was the best of the best character. Like, it was perfectly written. So this is gonna be, we're gonna do a warm-up giveaway, all right? Just a warm-up giveaway because we're so close to 10K. Let me set it up, all right? Let me set it up, and because I don't have really anything else. Hold on just a second. I need to set this up. Hold up, guys. How do I put this here? Okay, here. I don't know. Okay, it's good. Customize settings. All right, all right. This is just gonna be a warm-up giveaway for Creed. All right, I'm just gonna give away $60 in cash. All right, this is just gonna be a cash prize, and it's gonna be open for like a couple of minutes until London opens. So exclamation mark cash, $60. All right, you can buy Apex or Bulenox account on it, or if you're brand new with MyFundedFutures, you can, or I think maybe with TopStep, but $60 cash, you can buy some evals, the cheaper evals, right? Or you can buy some beer or an Irish coffee, or whichever you like. Everybody gets one ticket, okay? So no need to type it in 1,000 times. Everybody is getting one ticket only. And let me put this out here. Okay, so as you can see it, we have 29 tickets already. Exclamation mark cash until we are waiting. Right? Of course. I'm gonna find some best of Creed moments here.
A leader and a follower. You have more fun as a follower, but you make more money as a leader. Good morning.
Not really.
No.
No.
Yeah.
Roy SA, thank you so much for joining us. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Exclamation mark cash to enter the giveaway. $60 this time. It's a warm-up giveaway. I hope I can do another one later. All right, this is just a warm-up. It's just a warm-up giveaway. All right, until we're waiting for the market to do something significant, let me just show you guys an excellent scene here, which I think is just absolutely great.
And dashed. Usually they don't follow you to your place of work. Happens sometimes. Part of the game.
Look at this guy.
It's a beautiful morning at Dunder Mifflin. As I like to call it, Great Bratton. Keep it running.
Yeah, and there's another one. Look at that.
I've been up since 4.
I didn't.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy there. Look at that. Listen carefully. Listen, this scene, I think it's so amazing. I cried myself like to laughter.
Realize that everybody here dresses up every year.
Me neither.
Oh, we have a new subscriber. Keelan, thank you for subscribing. Welcome. Thanks for joining. So, look at it again.
I didn't realize that everybody here dresses up every year.
Me neither. It's Halloween. That is really, really good timing.
I didn't realize it's Halloween. It's a really good timing, and the guy is covered with blood. Oh, it's a really good timing. Anyway, that's just cool. Yeah, someone cooking soup. Yeah, that was amazing. That was amazing. I don't know. There's so many good things. This is my favorite of all. I need to watch that again. I'm sorry.
I didn't realize that everybody here dresses up every year.
Me neither. It's Halloween. That is really, really good timing.
It's Halloween. It's really, really good timing. That's amazing. Anyway. Exclamation mark cash. Still pushing higher. Yeah, the price action is definitely a little bit like how we are doing with the tickets. 67 tickets, exclamation mark cash. Somebody was asking if I can do crypto. I don't really want to do crypto because I actually wiped out all my crypto and I do need to do re-registration. But if I have to, I do it. But the way I can do it is PayPal, Revolut, Wise, or maybe some other cash app if you're from the US. Worst case scenario, I can do crypto, but give me like 24 hours, worst case. But I preferably would send it through PayPal, all right? Or Revolut or Wise, all right? These would be amazing. Terrible price action, by the way. Terrible price action. So exclamation mark cash and $60 warm-up giveaway today. ES. Okay, let's check ES. So ES is almost the same situation here. Kind of went back into the midnight level. There's no supply or demand zone, so practically the same. Even if I look to the left on the 5-minute, there's nothing. Don't forget that we have NFP news today, so that kind of makes it a little bit more difficult to do anything. We could be just ranging all morning until the news. So the only thing you can maybe do is to look for some levels to be swept. The good thing or interesting thing about ES is we have like almost relatively equal highs up there on the 1-minute. I don't know. I don't feel like trading ES right now, even if I would be an ES trader. There's a 1-minute supplies, demand zone down here. I don't know, man. It's tough. It's a tough call both on ES and NQ because we're just stuck here and there's no more levels, at least not, and nothing is close here. So as you can see, the same pattern on NQ. There is a 15-minute demand zone. We have an Asia low here. Could we say that this here would be Asia high? Can we say that this is Asia high on NQ? I'm just curious. 141.50. Can that be an Asia high? Let's just say that's an Asia high. All right. 141.50 on the micro. That would be an Asia high. Let's all smash the likes as well. 74 tickets already. And I'm going to close it down in a few minutes before London opens up. All right. Norbert, hello! Igen, itt osztogatnak, de most csak készpénzt. And Norbert is just asking, is this the place when we hand over free accounts? Well, today, this morning, only cash. So $60 cash giveaway right now, which I know it's not going to cover everything, but you can still buy Apex or Bulenox accounts or the cheap accounts from, is it? Which prop firm is that? You can still get some cheap accounts somewhere. Funded Futures Network has the buy one get one for free promo. Today is the day it is expiring. So today you can still buy the buy one get one for free. I'm hoping that they will bring it back for the month, hopefully. But today you can still buy or go with the buy one get one free. But that's $75 actually. Never won anything. Try it. Exclamation mark cash. My Funded Futures is definitely great. Randall. Hey, Randall, what's up? Yeah, some sushi, for example. You don't have to buy accounts. You can get some sushi or buy a beer or whatever. You're good. All right. You're good. That's what matters. I hope the weather is great in Italy because here it's sunny, sunshine. Okay, look at that. This is that guys who was just who those of you who are just tuning in, this is the 15-second chart because I thought I'm going to try to do some scalping here on an Apex evaluation account. So I was like, you know, let's try it. But we did not sweep the high up there. So there was no liquidity sweep on the Asia high. It's quite interesting. Buy a prop, but it, yeah. Cold. It's cold. Well, here it's beautiful, sunny, and today it's going to be 16 or 17 degrees Celsius, which is great. All right, we are at 82 tickets on the giveaway, and in about 2 minutes I'm going to close it down. 2 or 3 minutes. 2 minutes. How are we doing with the likes? I need to check on the likes. This is just a warm-up giveaway, guys. Warm-up. If anyone is interested in this video, this is the best of Creed Bratton. You guys should check it out. I love it. I need to watch this again.
Four.
I didn't realize that everybody here dresses up every year.
Me neither. It's Halloween. That is really, really good timing.
All right. That is amazing. Paul, hello. Creed is absolutely goated. He is the man. Exclamation mark cash. We have 86 tickets. If you everybody receives one ticket only. Just saying. Does anybody knows how long that Apex account investigation? Well, one time it was more than a week for me last year. It took more than a week. You can send them a support ticket, by the way, to check on it, but there was a time where it went for more than a week. You have? Well, they should be finishing up with it. I've started coming to my friend's stream, and this stream way too early in the morning for me. So now, oh my gosh, thank you, Maritime. Oh, I do appreciate it, Maritime Trader. Thank you for joining us in the stream. All right, let's close down the entries. Exclamation mark cash. Exclamation mark cash. 93 tickets already. I'm closing it down. If you haven't entered the giveaway, you know, let's close it down and let's get it done. Type in the chat. Everybody gets one ticket only. So exclamation mark cash. Let's see. I'm going to close it down in 3, 2, and 3, 2. Camille is here. Hello, Camille. 103 tickets. Last chance. Exclamation mark cash. Let's go. Anyone else? All right, I need to close it down. I need to close it. 3, 2, 1, and I'm covering up the chat. 108, $60 cash. I have to close it down, guys, because this is gonna be like forever. Panda Thunder. All right, we waited enough. Thank you so much. All right, closing it down. I'm covering the chat. All right, and let's do this. The winner of the $60 cash giveaway, it's a warm-up giveaway, it's gonna be no other than one of the best who we all cherish and love. One of the best OG viewers here. And the one is Chung Sheen. Chung Sheen. Sean. Sorry. Congratulations. Chung Sheen. Congratulations for winning the $60. If you're here, make yourself known. Because if you're not here, or if you're not responding to the chat, then we are going to re-roll the prize. So you have 1 or 2 minutes to respond, and then we're gonna do a re-roll. Let's see. We're gonna wait 1 or 2 minutes for a reroll if he's not here. Chong Scene or Sean Scene, I don't know. Congratulations. Is not here? All right. All right. We're gonna wait a minute and we're going to re-roll. Yeah, we're gonna re-roll if he's not here. Let's just wait. Yeah, it's less than 1 minute. He's not in the chat yet. Waiting for a reroll. Okay, if you guys want to... A last payout request is still pending. I submitted on February 20. Was it? It was still with the legacy accounts, right? All right, I think he's not here. So 2 minutes have passed, so we are going to re-roll. We are going to re-roll. All right. The winner of the $60 cash giveaway is gonna be no other than the one and the only, the unforgettable Mike J1J1Z. Mike, congratulations. Make yourself known. He's here. Mike is here. Congratulations again. He is here. The real Mike. Okay. Mike. I'm just praying that you have maybe PayPal or Revolut or Wise, but here is my email. Please send me an email. If you have PayPal or Wise or Revolut, you can send me your Revolut tag or QR code, or the same on Wise or PayPal email. But send me an email and we'll figure it out somehow. All right, congratulations. Congratulations, there's my email. I took an L on the short. Oh. Next letter when? I don't know. I will figure out something. I will figure out something for later. Actually, with $60, you can buy 3 Apex accounts or 2 Bulenox accounts. Who won? He went to the toilet. The winner is Mike. Mike is the winner. Apex will pay if you ain't profitable trader. If you get one payout and blow 10 accounts after, then they will pay next one. Do not hold accounts to 6th payout. They will review your account. Oh, did somebody reach the 6th payout threshold with the new rules? I didn't hear about that yet. Well, I asked for codes from Lucid, and there may be something. It's rigged. got to 9th. Oh, but you're still on the legacy account. Let's see. Sorry. You're still on the legacy account, right? That takes some time there to get those reviews done. I know they are slow. I don't know why they're doing it manually. They are a little bit slow. And got an account in. Did they send you an email that you are under investigation? You're an affiliate and I have 4 YouTube channels. And they sent you the email that you're under investigation. Oh, that's not good. Oh, damn. Damn, that's not good. You're still an affiliate. Huh. Wow. That is crazy. Okay, we had the London Open, by the way. Keep us updated about that, Leslie. That is interesting. Apex is a crappy company. Well, the new rules, I do like the new rules. So the new accounts, the key is to simplify everything, right? I see. Talking about the new Apex accounts, but the old accounts, I agree that the old accounts maybe, I mean, that was the 30% rule, especially the drawdown rule, was a little bit tricky, and that wasn't really good. But I said this throughout the week that the new accounts, finally, they should have done this, the new account upgrade, they should have done this way before, like 2 years ago. Oh, Apex is a company. Yeah, that's true. We're talking as no rule violations. They might want to put you to a live account, which we don't know if anybody made it to a live account from the old legacy accounts. I don't know anyone. I'm passing 5 accounts unused with Apex. Let's go. Oh, with the account investigation. Wow. It's not good. Yeah, the new accounts allow the news trading on evals. Yeah, I mean the old ones were allowing it too, but yeah. So that sucks, man. That's not good. It's not good at all. I'm not short. I'm just kind of, this is a 15-second chart. Don't ask me why. I'm just trying to do some experiment here, but I'm not short. I'm kind of waiting for this level to be swept at 91, and maybe we can push higher. I'm not sure. There's not much to trade in this. I mean, look at the 5-minute chart here on the right side. Nothing. Even the 1 minute looks pretty much ugly here. Yeah, I think somebody said like the old accounts still have the old rules, but yeah, getting back to the Forex days, yeah. I wish, right? All right. I'm not doing that. But I was just kind of doing an experiment here. I'm trying to do an experiment. But We are at 91 likes. Can we get 9 more likes? 9 more to go to 100. I know we can do it, everyone. We can do it. Let's do it together. 9 more likes. Whoa, look at this drop. There was a small zone here. Oh, this one got taken out. So that's not valid anymore. Dennis, I'm 15 days green on micros, never going back to minis. Congratulations, Dennis, on the results. Amazing. I did just got 2 contracts, 85 bucks. Let's go, Randall. I know Randall has the balls to do it. I know you can do it. Is anyone in chat doing an eval passing method? Not really. I mean, I don't have a specific method to pass evals, and different type of prop firms with the different rules might be having some different approach that you need to apply with when you want to pass those evals. 1 second chart. Oh, no. Look at silver. What's happening at silver? It's up 3% today. 84. Wow. HT photo, hello there. Waiting for the buy side. Yeah, Asia high has been left there totally alone. You gotta look to the left. What is down here? Not much. There are no levels here. Nothing. Have you tried Elite Trader funding? Yeah, I tried it. Not, they are good. I haven't got a payout with them, but I tried them. I mean, yeah. I will let you guys know when I get a whole Apex video series. I don't want to promote here. You can see yourself. Okay. Keep us updated, man. Keep us updated. I hope that they will get that payout for you. Yeah, so I really hope that it's gonna happen. Even if they put you under investigation, the payout still needs to be, needs to be settled. There's a lot of payouts. Okay. And then definitely it needs to be settled. It definitely. Let's see. I hope that it will turn out good. It's a real good feeling showing up for work knowing that you already made the same amount. Oh yeah, Dennis. That is really good. Yeah, today I only left with 1 Bulenox account, by the way. I have 1 funded account with Bulenox. So I did trade it this morning. But this is a Bulenox master account. And where should I put this? So this is a funded account. and it says BXM. So this is a master account, but I made $800 this morning on this Bulenox. So this was great. And this was earlier before the stream, by the way. This was weird because I got up super early, but this was a really good one. So it just feels good. And this, I should be getting a payout from this account too. Hopefully. How can I find your channel without or promoting here? Promoting without promoting? Hold on. New Apex accounts, Alpha, Lucid, TRADEIFY, all work for one shot news, Eval passing the fabricated. Ah, they fabricating the news. It has been dodgy. Hey Tom, today I got my first which is a payout. How much do you pay activation fees? $148. Hey, Shrish, your first ever futures payout from MyFundedFutures. Oh my gosh, everybody, let's give a huge applause for Shrish. I know Shrish been working a lot on the payout. I know. Shrish, congratulations for getting your first ever payout. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Amazing. That is amazing, man. Congrats. That is super. The first ever payout from futures. Wow. My experience so far is really great on Take Profit Trader. The daily payouts are really awesome. That's one of the best advantages for Take Profit Trader. You know, make some profit throughout the day. You can withdraw it to the wallet. Now, the way they are doing it, and it's super easy. You're making the profit and you can withdraw it to your internal wallet. And that's happening usually like within 24 hours. So like within business hours, they withdrawing it to your wallet. And of course, once it's in your wallet, you can continue trading, you know, whatever. And you can withdraw anytime from your wallet to your bank account. So it's practically daily payouts. And this is just amazing. That's, you know, and there was no special, like nothing bad or bad treatment from Take Profit Trader. Just like TRADEIFY, also no questions asked. Practically. So the experience is good. Absolutely. TRADEIFY is awesome. The instant accounts are quite popular with TRADEIFY. If you're looking for instant funded accounts, then TRADEIFY and Lucid is very popular. Bulenox, by the way, just a small information piece about Bulenox. So last year, I made $69,000 in trading payout in 2025 from trading payouts. My expenses, of course, were $33,000. So, but I ended up in a net profit. Now, out of that $69,000, $24,000 or $24,000 or $25,000 more than actually 1/3 of my payouts came from Bulenox. So say what you want about Bulenox, good or bad, whatever. They just fly under the radar and they paid me out. And I don't know. I mean, I did not violate any rules because the rules are so simple, like super simple, like nothing special going on, no questions asked. And they paid. They paid. I just submitted the request and they paid like a clockwork. So I can't say anything bad about Bulenox. I think if there would be an award for the most underrated prop firm out there, it goes for Bulenox, and maybe Funded Futures Network, they're also paying out people flying under the radar. Yes, they only have Rhythmic connection. Yes, I know. They don't have TradeAway. They only have Rhythmic, so you can still trade NinjaTrader, Quantower, and some other platforms. But most underrated prop firm on my end is Bulenox. And the Funded Futures Network also, like, they're just paying out people. There's some news coming out today or tomorrow from Funded Futures Network. Their CEO is going to come out with some big update to get funded quicker at Funded Futures Network. I can't wait for it, actually. So I'm curious. Do they offer, do they transfer on crypto wallet too? I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if they do crypto. Not them. Overall in trading payouts. So payouts from simulated funded accounts last year, I was able to get $69,000. Out of that $69,000, Bulenox, the profits that I took out, $24,000 came from Bulenox out of that 69. So I made quite a big of a, I mean, for me, it was a good chunk of money from trading payouts from Bulenox. And like anytime I saw an opportunity to take out $1,000, $1,500, $1,200 from Bulenox, I just took it. I always took it out. Like $1,000 here, $1,000 there from Bulenox. I'm just taking it out. And overall, $24,000 last year only from Bulenox from trading. So that was good for me. I mean, on my end, no problem with Bulenox. Yes, they are intraday, but they do have end of day trailing accounts as well, but they are a little bit more pricier and with the daily loss limit. Lucid pays really fast, like in a minute or less, 30 seconds. Lucid payouts are also like in 30 seconds or a minute, something like that. 3K take return from Lucid 3K. Requested a top starter. Let's go, Chart Sniper. When you say trading payouts, are you including? No, I'm not including affiliate payouts. Trading, that's why I'm saying trading. So payouts from profits made on simulated accounts is not, affiliate commissions are not included. So I made $69,000 last year in 2025 from payouts made on simulated funded accounts across multiple prop firms. Out of that $69,000, $24,000 came from Bulenox, from trading, not affiliate commission, trading payouts from simulated funded accounts. So, you know. But my expenses were $33,600 last year. So I have spent $33,600 in 2025 on evaluation accounts, activation fees, resets, and all these things. Now, I always try to go for the sale. If there, I haven't received, believe it or not, you think what you want to think. I swear on my mother's soul, I have not received a free trading account from any of these prop firms last year. I haven't received any free accounts. Like, I paid for my evaluation accounts just like everybody else, because I got a few messages like, I get free accounts this easy. No, I'm not. I haven't received any free accounts, anything. I paid for all of the accounts, all. So, you know, maybe some huge influencers, I don't know, with a huge following, like maybe they get, I didn't get any free account for my own. I did get accounts for giveaway. That happened. I got accounts that I I didn't. I mean, I gave them away, but that's it. So. Yeah, we sweat the weave up here. Question is, how far are we gonna go? How far are we gonna go? Now this year, I'm only at $3,900 of payout this year, which is very slow, very slow. $3,900 only my payouts from trading. Which is, you know, it's not the best start of the year. $3,900, and I've spent $3,000 this year already. Actually more than $3,000. I think $3,100 or $3,200 this year. So I'm practically at break even. Yes, I did receive some payouts from Bulenox, Take Profit Trader, small payouts like $1,000 here, $800, whatever. So anyway, small payouts. But this, for me, the past 2 months, and we started March, the third month. So the first 2 months for me was a rough start. It was a rough start. I blew up, I don't know, like how much? I don't know. I need to do a recap, but in February, I blew up at least 6, maybe 7 funded accounts. In January, I did the same. The funded accounts that I built up in December, I blew them all up in January. It was like 5 or 6 funded accounts in January. Then I blew up another batch in February. So it was a struggle. It was a tough start of the year. So use method. Some people blow me away. That's simple to pass, literally. Yeah. Oh wow, nice. I'm close as I ever been to passing my first Eval. Let's go. Nickname, last name. Let's go. Let's go. That's my advice to you and struggling traders. Wow. Back to break even. Awesome. 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 But let me just add this. I think this year, I'm going to get more payouts from trading than last year. I'm sure about that because I'm sure. I'm sure. I'm seeing the light. I do know what I have to do. And by the way, in 2025, January, I only got a $2,000 payout. I don't remember how much was it in February, but I do know that this year I'm gonna get more. I'm gonna make a new record. I'm sure, 100%. I don't have smell this morning. Don't see any emotions. Let's go. 150 works as resistance. Well, it feels like it. Seems like it. Let's look to the left here. Do we have anything, by the way? Oh, wow. Maybe not much. Okay, there's nothing. It seems like we're still going down there. Yeah. Let's go for 10 points here. I'm gonna add to it, by the way, if it bounces up. No? Come on, just drop down. Drop it down to 61. I know it will. I know it has to. Why didn't I jump in with 10 micro? You're right. Anyway, it's for scalping purposes. It should be hitting it. Oh, come on. There you go. Yeah, there was the zone right there. Okay, we're gonna do something else. There is another level here, right up there. It's actually valid. We're gonna save this for later. I mean the level here. It's right there. Okay. It's valid. All right. Let's see if there's gonna be a reversal. Asia low at 38. 38 is Asia low. I think it wants to sweep that level. And then once we swept the Asia low, we might gonna turn around. Seven hours in a short. Wow. Bean trades. Hello there. Oh, really? Let me check it. Let me check it. Hold on. That should be working. Hold on. Let me just check it for you. It might be because they're coming up with a new product. It's not 40% off. Hold on. I'm going to check it. It's working. It's 40% off, but what about with the discount? Hold on. 40% off right now. I gotta check with the promotion. I've been told that it's on until 6. Promotion. Okay, 60% off resets. Okay, sorry, it ended yesterday. My mistake. Absolutely my mistake there. Oh, I'm sorry. It's my mistake. So here it is. The Funded Futures Network promotion The Funded Futures Network promotion ended on the 5th of March. So yesterday, I thought that it's on until today. We swept the Asia low, by the way. Now we only have the... Okay, that's also ended. I'm sorry. I tried it and said expired. Interesting. %, because it's only saying that... Okay, let me try something else. Interesting. On my end, it says okay. That is interesting. I will try to send them an email. Yeah, no problem, Bintrace. No problem. I will send them an email. Yeah. I will do that. Thank you for noticing me. Okay, we're bouncing up there. Let me check the how we're doing. Okay. Getting into a buy here. Oh, it gets 40% off. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so it's still working. That's actually good. Adding one more. Okay, by some mistake, I was pressing the sell button, but I wanted to press the buy button. Now it's good. Oh, it only gets 40%. Okay, okay. Hey, Dave, thank you so much, Bin Trades, for using it, man. I thank you. But it seems like I just checked it myself. It gives 40%, just like all the other codes, except the February code. I was lucky, yeah. I was definitely lucky there. Let's see it. Let's go up there. I don't know if I can see the details, but I can check it. Hold on. Referrals. Conversions. Well, there is a leaderboard here. Huh. I gotta check it. Whoa, oh, I can't say that name. I'm sorry, but welcome. Bin Trades, all I can tell you, I'm gonna actually send them an email, and I just sent them an email already, but I'm gonna send them another email to check out why why is it saying expired on your end? It could be just a glitch. But thank you so much for the support, Bin Trades. I do appreciate it. I'm gonna send them an email and see what's going on for sure. Yeah, so far it looks good. Let's see if we can get it right. I'm gonna add to it. All right, let's add another 5 micro. It's an evaluation account. Before you say anything, this is an Apex eval. I wonder if we can pass this evaluation account. How about that? Would be awesome, right? I know it's going to hit the 92, by the way. I know it's going to hit it. It's going to happen, guys. It's just picking up some liquidity here. Totally normal. It's absolutely normal. No problem with that. Randall is still doing the scalping experience. Experiment, not experience. Sorry, I can't speak today. Scalping experiment. Exercise, not experience, not experiment. Scalping exercise. So let's wait for this. Okay, it picked up liquidity. Oh, I'm gonna add more. Maybe I should add more, huh? 77. We are gonna pop through 92 like it's butter. Like hot knife through butter. That's how it's gonna go through. 44th X Punisher. Hello there. Okay, I'm gonna add more to it. Because why not? I don't need a stop loss because why? Why would we need a stop? Risk management is key. So stop losses are not our thing anymore. See you later, X Punisher. Thank you for being here. My gosh, I wish everything would be that easy. As this is going to smash through. I'm 100% sure it's going to take my TP. It's like, it's just, you know, it will take it. Not a question. It's just teasing me. If it goes down again, I'm just going to keep adding to the trade. You know, this is what I do from now on. This is my life. I'm just going to keep adding to the trade. If it goes lower. Actually, I want it to go lower. I want this trade to go lower so I can keep adding to it. This is a long position, Randall. This is a long. Almost at the TP. Oh, it technically hit my TP. Just didn't take it. Don't worry, guys. It will take it, by the way. It will take it. It's just a scientific fact that it will take it. So... Yes. I knew that it's gonna take it. I knew it. Yeah. I would bet my house on it. Which I don't have. But you know. Thank you, thank you. If you ask me why, are you guys curious why I was sure that he's gonna take it? Do you guys want me to walk through why I was sure it's gonna happen? I can tell you if you're interested. It's very simple, by the way. It's so simple that it's actually like, it's embarrassingly simple why I was sure it's gonna take it. Okay. So, first of all, on the right here, Asia low, sorry, one more thing. The 15-minute demand zone was already being tagged once after the Asia open here at 8:30. So that's a low probability level now, the 15-minute demand zone, okay? Anyway, the Asia low has been tagged. Easy, you know. Asia level, significant level, okay, 38. Awesome. Now, this was the level, Asia low, significant level, check mark. Actually, that's number one. This was the Asia low here, right there. Now, the market, before hitting the Asia low, started to go, this is the 15-second chart, all right? So let's not forget it, the 15-second chart. The market started to crash down. This was a very strong TL. Thank you for joining. Thank you, thank you. So the market was starting to crash down very fast, very fast. This was when I saw this move, like, oh my gosh, it's very fast. It's going down. It's going to take Asia low. It took it. Now, one thing that the market makers, by watching the stream, totally forgot. And I'm going to zoom in. I'm still zooming in. I'm still zooming in. 15-second chart. I'm gonna say the classic ICT question. What do you see? This candle here. 322 45. So this candle. Now this candle actually, where is it? This candle actually, this took liquidity from here. Then what happened? Guess what happened then? It shifted structure. So this candle took liquidity there, and then the bearish candle shifted the structure. Yeah, it went a little bit sideways, but that doesn't matter. This was the main thing here. And the market just started to, you know, oh, which one is that? No. The market started to crash down like easy. And there is no other. What is this, guys? What is this? This is a supply zone. This single 15-second candle is an absolutely valid supply zone. And I checked all the charts here, the 1 minute, the 3 minute, the 2 minute, everything. There was no supply zone up here. Absolutely no supply zone. So the market crashed down. It created a supply zone. And oh, come on. And this was the supply zone right there. So what happened? Went down to Asia low, extended the supply zone. And let's just continue what happened. Crash, supply zone created, crash, swept to Asia low. Market structure shift at 25,051. Took liquidity. Look at that. This down here at 36 took liquidity here. Then what happened? Continuation. This is the second confirmation, the second leg. Continuation higher. At this point, I already knew that, okay, that's the only target up there. The only is this one. That's the only target, that level, nothing else. So I just took the entry. I don't even know where I entered. When it went lower, I just added to it. Let's add to it. That's why I was saying, like, please, let's just go down and let's just add to it, because it has to hit that level. I'm not saying it's 100%, okay? There's no such thing as 100%. But this was like a very, very high probability scalp setup. But there were some key elements. We needed a clean supply zone. We needed a strong crash down to a significant level. And then we needed the structure shift. And that is it. Price just went back into the zone. This is what I do every single day. Every single day, just not on the 15-second chart, but on the 5-minute, 3-minute, 1-minute, whatever. This is what I do every single day. This is what I'm looking for. Nothing else. This here is the pattern. This here is my alpha and omega in trading, right here, or vice versa if you're looking for shorts. That's it. Nothing more. Nothing more. This is the only simple thing that I'm looking for every freaking day. That's it. London session is manipulator, yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Size up for reversal with trailing stops once in profits. That true. You're still holding. And by the way, look at that, we got into the zone. The price now is stalling a little bit, so that's kind of a good sign. Yeah. Can we see the 15-minute demand zone? Sure. Here's the 15-minute demand zone. Right here. Sergio Ramon, thank you for joining us. Welcome to the channel. Welcome. So the zone is starting at 25,047. Look at the zone here. Let me use a drawing tool. Bearish candles picking up liquidity here from this fair value gap. So this here, liquidity being picked up by the bearish candles, pushing higher, market structure shift, market structure shift, whatever. Anyway, you know what I mean. And then pushing higher. Now the issue is that at the market open, the Asia open, it went down, and this was actually this actually created the Asia low here. So it actually mitigated the zone already. And it's just the only thing when a demand zone or a supply zone is getting mitigated at least once or even more. After that, the entry level of the zone, which is the opening of the first bearish candle here. So not the wick, but the body of the candle. Bharat, hello there. Welcome, thank you for joining. So after the entry level, which is the 47.75, is a low probability target, right? But because this created the Asia low here at 38, that's why it was so great. And it was really awesome. It was great to see. It was great to see. David, buenos dias. Hello there. Why can I trade gold and silver? Why can't I? Because it's restricted temporarily, Kelly. Only temporarily. We have no news when they're going to put it back, but it's only temporarily right now. Yeah, not available yet. It's only temporarily. Randall is scalping 4 contracts. Let's go. $44th X Punisher, thank you so much for being here. Trader Dave, hello. Is accumulation distribution Can you explain, please? Yeah. So the AMD concept is awesome. I'm not really using it because it confuses me. So personally, the accumulation. David Ang, thank you for joining. Welcome. Welcome, David. So me personally, the accumulation, manipulation, and distribution concept is confusing. I tried to use it many times. I focused too much on it, so I just left it. I'm going to tell you why. Now, ICT is saying that the AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, is on every time frame, even on the second time frames, even on the 15-second, the 1 minute, the 4 hour, the weekly chart. It's everywhere. Every price or PD array, everywhere. So let's just find something. So first, accumulation phase, obviously it's like going sideways, right? So let me just give you an example. Going sideways, whatever, maybe sweeping some highs and lows. And then of course comes the manipulation, which usually a fake out, and then the real distribution, right? So this would be accumulation, manipulation phase, and then the distribution phase. Or vice versa, whatever. But the thing is, you know, how to spot it correctly. In this case, we could say like, okay, this could be accumulation. This could be manipulation. And then we should see distribution in that area, right? So we could see some expansion, but what if not? But if I go, and this is the 5 minute, what if I go down to the 1 minute? Uh, 1 minute chart. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Okay. Accumulation, manipulation. But where is the distribution? Is this still the manipulation or what? Which one is what? Because I'm really having trouble understanding myself. So I got confused. Let's go to the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour chart. Accumulation. Is this the manipulation? So now we should be seeing, this looks like, I don't want to say what it looks like, but you know, are we going to go higher or what? I don't know. It's just hard to decide, you know, switching between all these levels and just trying to anticipate like which side is going to be the manipulation and which side is going to be the distribution. What I'm trying to say is I'm having trouble using the AMD concept in my trading. And since I tried many times, I tried to understand, like, let me give you another example. Maybe I say that this here is accumulation and this is the manipulation, and somebody else would say it completely differently. I'm just saying, like, it could be anticipated in so many different ways. We could be debating, arguing with each other, like, no, that's the real distribution because this spike was the. Some would say that some would say that this was the accumulation, this was the manipulation, and this is the real distribution. But how should I know? Because if you think about it, taking this swing high with this candle actually can be triggering the distribution lower, right? But if you look at the higher time frame, this could be the manipulation, and now we could see the distribution higher. So which one is which? And this just got me so much, you know, so much confusion that I actually left the AMD model completely, just like the SMT model. I'm not saying SMT, which is, by the way, just a simple divergence between ES and NQ, nothing more and nothing less, just a simple divergence. I know SMT is very popular amongst smart money traders. I also trade smart money, but SMT is just a basic, super simple divergence between ES and NQ, nothing more. I don't use it. I don't use the AMD concept. But if you find the pattern, if you see the pattern and you can anticipate the manipulation and the distribution, please do it. Use it because that's a good thing. I'm sorry if I forgot to answer everybody's questions. So YOLO trading, I don't know. We all basically trade AMD, yeah. The 10K subs. Oh, we're really close. But guys, I need to head to the gym. Let me check the levels here. Okay, there's no level on the 15-second. No levels here. Guys, I'm gonna hit the gym. I'm not taking more trades. This was an exciting session. Congratulations for the winner. Mike, I received your email. I will respond to it. I need more data. But thank you. And today is NFP, so be careful, everybody, you know. And what I want to say, thank you, everybody. If you would like to support the channel, as you can see it, this year I only made a couple of $100 of net profit from trading funded accounts. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna pretend that, you know, I'm like a guru or something. So if you would like to support the channel by using my code, I would appreciate that. I will update the code with Funded Futures Network. I don't know why it says expired, but please use it. Without the affiliate codes, it would be definitely harder for me to be here full time. So thank you for using it. Thank you for supporting it. There are still some good sales going on. Check it out. And you guys are amazing. We're getting closer to 10K. Let's all celebrate. I know I'm a GFO. I know. God bless you all. I'll be back hopefully in the early New York session. Let's see what NFP is going to do. And, you know, God bless and take care and see you guys later. Cheers, everybody.